Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Mac. Open System Settings, enable screen sharing or remote management, and add the user you will sign in with. Once done, record the Mac's local IP and create a DHCP reservation so the address won't change. Make sure the Mac OS firewall allows VNC, port 5900, or Apple Remote Desktop traffic. You do this now so subsequent router and client steps target a consistent, reachable machine. It prevents common connectivity headaches later. Next, configure your network and Windows client. On the router, forward TCP 5900 to the Mac's reserved IP so external Windows machines can reach screen sharing. For security, prefer VPN instead of direct forwarding. On Windows, install a VNC client, enter the Mac's IP and port, and choose performance versus quality depending on bandwidth. Once done, test the connection from inside your LAN using IP 5900 and the Mac user credentials. This confirms the server and client settings are correct before opening external access. Finish by securing and optimizing the connection. Set a strong VNC password, enable built-in encryption if your VNC server supports it, or ideally place the Mac behind a VPN so you don't expose port 5900 to the internet. Tune color depth and resolution for smoother sessions over slow links. If you can't connect, first ping the Mac and then telnet to port 5900 to confirm reachability. Make sure the Mac firewall and router forwarding match the IP you recorded.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.